Ruby! I have a surprise for you.
Oh, what is it?
I'm going to bake you a cake.
Wow! That's amazing!
Hello, friends. Let's make a cake. First, pick a cake base. Let's pick a flavor. Which one do you like? That flavor is just perfect. Let's make this cake extra special with yummy frosting. The frosting makes the cake look so cool. Let's add some toppings. That looks so delicious. Which sprinkles do you like best? Yum! It looks so sweet and yummy! Hooray! The cake is ready!
Wow! Thank you, Lucas! It's so pretty and yummy! You're the best friend ever, Lucas!
I'm so glad you like it! You're my best friend too! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
See you soon!
See you soon!